Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Kia Optima's service required light, an easy method you can do yourself. To begin, simply turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the control buttons on the right side of your steering wheel. Make sure your instrument cluster display is active and clearly visible, as we will be navigating through its menus. This simple process will save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's access the correct menu. Use the page or menu button on your steering wheel, often depicted as a small document icon. Press it repeatedly until you see the User Settings menu appear on your instrument cluster. Once there, use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll through the options. You are looking for the service interval setting, which controls your maintenance reminders. This is where we will perform the reset. With service interval highlighted, it's time to perform the reset. Press and hold the OK or Reset button, usually located in the center of your steering wheel controls, for about 2 to 3 seconds. You will see a prompt on your display asking you to confirm the reset. Simply select Yes or press OK again to finalize the action. This step clears the current service message and prepares your vehicle for its next maintenance cycle. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your service reminder. The service required message should now be cleared from your instrument cluster display. The system typically resets to a default interval, often around 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever occurs first. To fully confirm the reset, turn your ignition off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. The message should no longer appear, giving you peace of mind until your next scheduled service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.